Alright, we're going to construct parallel lines. So go ahead, draw your line, AB, and then construct a point C. It could be anywhere. I'm going to put it down here. And then you're going to draw a line through point A and point C. So once you've done that, you're going to go to circle with center, go to point A, and then make a small circle. It doesn't really, you don't have to have a specific size, just as long as you have a circle, just like this, and then you click when you're done. So don't worry about point D, we're actually not even going to use it anymore. So now what you want to do is go to the intersect function, select this line and this circle, that'll give you point F, select this line and this circle, that'll give you point H. And then you're going to go to compass, select point A and point H. So we're basically copying a circle. And we're going to put that circle right on top of point C. Go to the intersect function again, click on this line and click on circle C. And that'll give you point J. So we're going to go back to the compass function, click on point H and point F, and that'll give you another circle. So now what you're going to do is you're going to place that circle with the center at point J, click on that, go to intersect, select this line and circle J. Whoops. Sorry. Select this circle and this circle, and you should get point K. So we're pretty much done at this point. The last thing to do is to take our line tool and just draw a line through C and through K. And now we have lines AB and CK that are parallel to each other.